You care about your child's health, don't you? You're probably saying out loud, yeah? Then trust Dr. David Lee Jimenez at Jimenez Pediatrics, a native of the Rio Grande Valley. He's trusted in the community, and trust goes a long way. We're currently accepting new patients, and don't worry, walk-ins are very much welcomed. Most insurances accept it. Jimenez Pediatrics has a new location at 4634 South Klausner in Edinburgh next to Richard's Pharmacy, and we're open Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 6 p.m.
You know, nobody likes to have their kids sick, ¿verdad? I mean, come on. Cuando ves a tu niño enfermo, híjole, duele mucho el corazón. I tell you what, you need to take them to where they can be taken care of properly. Jimenez Pediatrics. Dr. Jimenez received his undergraduate degree from the University of Texas Pan Am and then went on to attend Baylor College of Medicine in Houston, one of the top 10 medical schools in the nation. Además, he completed his residency training at Driscoll Children's Hospital in Corpus Christi, Texas. So, ¿qué más quieres? Él sabe cómo hacer el cuidado a los niños. Monday through Friday está abierta la oficina de 8 de la mañana hasta las 6 de la tarde, and they're located at 4634 South Klausner Boulevard in Edinburgh, Texas. Les puedes llamar al 720-4333 or fax them at 720-4425. Accepting new patients, walk-ins welcome, Medicaid chip, and most insurance accepted. Don't let your kid be running around sick without the proper medication, without the proper care. Take them to Jimenez Pediatrics. Take them today. Take care of them. Cuiden a sus niños. Jimenez Pediatrics.